In a sealed library, a gifted puzzle solver watches as a chalkboard reveals a shifting grid that only answers questions whispered aloud. A caretaker explains the riddle is not about what is seen but what is inferred from 3 clocks ticking in reverse, each pointing to a paradox. The protagonist decodes that the true key is a lie told by the clocks themselves, revealing a hidden room where a silent mentor teaches critical thinking through counterfactuals. When a final twist erupts, the room reorders time so every clue becomes a new question, forcing viewers to rethink evidence. Curiosity becomes practical insight.